Okay, so the point being is that it's going to capture your audience attention, your customers' attention that want the product or service that you actually provide, okay? Because it's going to solve their very same problem that you experienced yourself, that you found the solution to. Does that make sense? So that's why they're going to be drawn to you. They're going to come to your course, mastermind, or workshop to learn more about what it is that you do, to learn the skill that you have, okay? And then you can then provide them more products and services. They know who you are, all right? There's no point having a business if people do not know who you are, if you don't have the attention of people. And that's the very message in this video. No one's going to know who you are unless you put yourself out there and capture their attention, okay? And how you're going to do that is initially with your ad, with your story, which draws them to your course, mastermind, or workshop. Does that make sense? Where they can further learn about who it is you are, okay? And what it is that you do and how you do what you do, okay? Because people want to learn something, all right? So you're going to teach them a little bit about makeup, and then you're going to say, if you'd like to know more, I have some more courses, some more advanced courses, or I provide this service. I apply makeup to you, whatever makeup that you do. It might be wedding makeup. If you would like your wedding makeup done by me, this is how you can do it, okay? So you can click this link, whatever, okay? So if you teach piano, you might teach a little bit about piano. If you'd like to come see me play, this is where I play. If you perform somewhere and that draws people to you, if you want to buy this CD of mine, if you want to listen to me on Spotify, this is my Spotify page. Okay, does it make sense? If you have a podcast, this is where you can hear me, and promote your podcast. Does that make sense? But you can initially capture their attention by teaching them something via a course, mastermind, or workshop. So in order to do that, you need a platform. Where are you going to have this course, mastermind, or workshop, okay? You're going to have a platform online. Or you can do it offline if you want to actually have a physical event, all right? You can have an online platform, all right, that people go to. It's a website that has all your courses on there, that has all your units on there, okay, and has all your information on there, and they can further watch more videos from you that teach them more, okay, about you, your product, your service, or about how to do something, how to do what you do. Does that make sense? So that's going to bring in money, and serves as drawing the attention of your specific target audience straight to you so they can learn from you. It captures them in, okay? Okay, so you're going to need a platform. Where can you get this platform from? Or where can you learn how to create an actual course, mastermind, or workshop? You can learn from the best. Have you heard of Tony Robbins? He's taught people from the likes of Oprah Winfrey, okay, and Hugh Jackman, among many other people, okay, Serena Williams, and how to create success. He has an actual, which he hasn't created in over 20 years, he has a free online training and a course. Actually, he's never actually taught a course like this in about 20 years, okay, but he's never actually done it like this with some free training that you can attend by going to at Miranda Wright Marketing. Marketing, that's my Instagram handle, okay? Or you can find it in the description underneath in my TikTok account, or if you're watching this on YouTube, it might be in the comment section, but if it's not, go straightly to Instagram or TikTok. It's the same, Miranda Wright Marketing or Miranda Wright. You'll find me, and I think my TikTok's Miranda Wright Marketing or just Miranda Wright. Okay, my Instagram is definitely Miranda Wright Marketing. Go straight there. It's in the description. There's a link that you can go to. It's like this. Click on that link. Okay, it'll take you straight to a free training where you can learn how to create a course, mastermind, or workshop from Tony Robbins, as well as Dean Graziosi, who is famous for his Instagram commercials. Okay, and if you're in America and Australia, We didn't really see him on in commercials, etc. But he's big in the US. His name is Dean Graziosi. And Russell Brunson, the owner of ClickFunnels Software. Russell Brunson has created a multi-million-dollar business. I think it's 100 million now. And not from VC funding. He has not been funded for his business. He created these funds himself with his business. How the hell did he do that? He teaches people what he knows, okay? And that's what draws them in and captures them. And then he can teach them about his ClickFunnels software. Does that make sense? You can do the exact same thing. These people are no different from you and I, okay? They've started from scratch. His name is Russell Brunson of ClickFunnels Software. And there's another girl from Jenna Gutcher. Sorry if I got the name wrong. Jenna Gutcher. She won a competition promoting the product that they created. Dean Graziosi, Russell Brunson, and Tony Robbins. She's an affiliate just like I am. She won a competition, and now she's in that free training, teaching people about how she does what she does. Okay, how does she market? All right, so she's teaching as well. All right, so from a female's perspective. So don't think this is just a man's game, because women, like, there's no excuses. You can do it too. Like, really. If that's what's stopping you, then don't, because there's a woman in there as well. Okay. Dean Graziosi, Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins, and Jenna Kutcher are there teaching a free online training about how you can create a course, mastermind, or workshop to do exactly what I've just shown you how to do right now. They can get you creating your course, mastermind, or workshop, as well as give you a platform in order to put it on, okay? Does that make sense? And how to market it, all right? So there's no excuses, okay? The only thing stopping you right now is clicking on that free link in my Instagram handle at Miranda Wright Marketing, or go to TikTok. It's in the description. Just click on that link. It'll take you through to a free training, okay? Does it make sense? Great. Go out there and create your course, mastermind, or workshop. It's really easy. Do it now. Time is of the essence. Do it.